Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you the way to promote Clickbank products without a website. So let's start. In this method we use LinkedIn articles to promote Clickbank products. But don't worry, you don't need to write your own articles. We can use pre-LR or public label write articles. I will show you the places to get pre-LR articles to your LinkedIn articles. So if I talk about LinkedIn is a professional social media platform same as a Facebook. But the difference is people use LinkedIn to share their qualification and career achievements. That means you can target high quality audience on LinkedIn because no one come to LinkedIn for share memes or funny stuff. They always come LinkedIn to find valuable content and share their own experience about professional stuff. Also, LinkedIn is a new platform. That means there has less competition. So it will help you to stand out without competition. As example, if I search here weight loss, actually we can add hashtag. So I will search hashtag weight loss. Then I will press enter. So here is the articles and post that tag to weight loss hashtag. So in LinkedIn, if someone search weight loss or tags that you include on your article, he will see your article on this search result. That means that person will read your article, and if he interested about your topic and product, he will definitely buy it. So this is the simple way to get money. So I will go back. If you currently don't have a LinkedIn profile, create a LinkedIn profile. I will put link on description. So follow that YouTube video and create professional LinkedIn profile. Now let's pick a Clickbank product. So I will go to Clickbank and I am plan to promote product related to health and fitness category. So I will go up. I will set the gravity more than 20 and I will scroll down. Okay, I will go to this custom keto diet. I click on promote and now I will generate my hop link by adding the nickname here. Okay, now I generate the hop link. I will minimize this window and now we have to go to LinkedIn and create the article. I will click on write article. So this is the area that we can write our article. Next point is we have to find our article. To find our article, I will go to plr.com. This is the place we can get pre-LR article. PLR mean private label rights, so you can change those articles, publish and build backlink, or you can do whatever you want with those articles. So here is categories. My category is weight loss, so I will press Ctrl F and search weight loss, and I click on weight loss category. Then here is articles related to weight loss. I will select this diet and exercise for weight loss. Click on it. Okay, now we have our article. First of all, I will copy this title. I add the title here and I will add this content like this, copy it and paste it like this. But you have to change those content as you want because you have to create eye-catching title and quality content. Just check the whole content and recreate if there has any outdated or not related content. Okay, now we have to add images to this article. To get images, I will go to pixabay.com. In pixabay.com, you can find royalty-free stock images. So I will search here weight loss and pick some of those images. So I will pick this one, and this one. Okay, now I will download this one. Click on download and I go to LinkedIn and paste this image here. Again I go to here and add first image on here. Just press enter and click this icon, then click on image. Now you can drag image here. Also I will add another image here. Click this icon, click image and drag the image here. Read the content and add only relevant images. So now we have two images. Okay, now it's time to add our promotion link. To add our promotion link, I will go to Clickbank, then I will go to affiliate area of this page. So I will click this link and open it in new window. Then I will click on banners. We can get eye-catching banners to add our article. So if I scroll down, this article will work well. So I right click and click on save image as, then I save the image. If I scroll down, I will show other banners that related to our product, but this is enough for me. I will go to LinkedIn again, then I press enter. After that I click here and click image, then I upload it here. Okay, now I have to get hop link. So my hop link is here. I click here and copy it to clipboard, then I come here and click this icon and enter the URL and press the enter. I will remove this unnecessary space, then I scroll down and do the same. When you add your affiliate URL, don't add it for too much times. I mean, don't spam, just add 2 to 3 times, because if you add lot of affiliate URL, it will see as a spammy article. So I will only add 2 times on this article. Also, you can use this same method to get backlinks to your website or promote your service or another type of product. So this is enough for me. Just check again about your article, and if all done, click on publish, and in here we have to add some text. To add text, I will go to our article and I will copy this one. I will copy this part and paste on here. Okay, then I will add those hashtag here. If you create an article, always add hashtag. To find hashtag, you can search weight loss hashtag and go to this website besthashtag.com, then copy some of this hashtag. What happened? Okay, and I will copy those hashtags and add the hashtags here. Okay, great. Now our article is complete. It's time to publish. When you publish it, make it as anyone. That means anyone can read your article. So click on publish button, and okay, great, we publish our article. You can share this article on Facebook, Twitter, or copy this link and share any other places if you want. So I will go to this tab and check our article. Here is our article. If I scroll down, I will see the promotional banner. If I click on it, I will redirect to the affiliate landing page. So this is the way to promote affiliate products without a website. Also create free landing page using Wix or Blogger, because when lot of people try to promote affiliate products on LinkedIn, they will definitely restrict this feature. So always use your own domain or create landing page on free places. That is a wise way to follow. As I told before, LinkedIn is a professional platform and it's for professional people. That means try to find professional products and high quality product that related to internet or businesses, because you will able to get lot of conversion from those categories. So this is the video. I hope you get valuable information, and I hope you will follow this method to generate affiliate sales. I will see you in next time.